Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OHEMAA, and if you're a returning subscriber, there is a primer that has been going around forever, and it is supposed to be the best primer money can buy. So I went to Sephora and I bought one. Okay, I'm talking about the TATCHA Silk Canvas Skin Primer. Now I know they have a big size, which is a 20 gram, and they have a small size, which is the 7 gram. The 7 gram retails for $20 and the 20 gram retails for $52. $52 for a face primer. It better be able to cook and wash my dishes. Let's see, let's read some facts about the primer. On the back of the box it says, invisible layers of silk instantly filter away imperfections and impurities for alluring skin all day and over time. So you're supposed to use this, I guess the more you use it, the better your skin looks. It says it blurs the look of pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. Primes with silk powder for long-lasting flawless makeup. Protects skin from makeup and pollution. Color corrects with a universal shade. So I just want to know what universal shade we are talking about, because I don't know what universal shade means. Okay, I don't know. Universal shade for a healthy, soft, focused glow. Anti-aging. Japanese superfoods help restore the look of youthful radiance. I need some youthful radiance because okay, so this actually says that it doesn't have any parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no mineral oil, no sulfate detergents. Sulfate detergent? Are they trying to say that other primers have sulfate detergents in them? No urea, no DEA, no TEA. I guess there's urine and T. I'm sure TEA means something else in other primers. You know what I mean? That's a little scary. That's a little scary. It's good for all skin types, people with uneven texture. It helps improve fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so when you open the box, it has a little thing for you to pull, a little tab for you to pull. So then you pull this out, okay, and it's in a thing like this. And it's in a thing like this. Inside the container, there's a small disc. There's a small disc looking thing that you're supposed to use to scoop your product. And I already cut this open because I don't want to struggle on camera. And this is what the actual product looks like. Now, in order for me to, try to gauge if it's a really good primer or not, I am going to, on the left side of my face, I'm going to use a primer that is also like a skincare type primer. And I'm going to compare it to this because I can't really just put this all over my face and say, oh my god, it's the most amazing thing ever, Meanwhile, it's not like compared to anything, I don't want it to be too much and then I won't be able to, it has a fragrance to it, but they're saying that the fragrance is not an artificial fragrance. Yeah, it has a fragrance to it and it feels very nice too. It feels nice, it does. Okay, let's just go ahead and... So I'm guessing the universal color that they're talking about is that whitish base that you see. Because of course if you're fairer than me, it's not gonna appear whitish. It has that whitish appearance, and I think that's what they meant by the universal shade. Okay, so I'm gonna use another product that's skincare based and it also has a whitish appearance. This is the Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. I like Hydra Blur. It does come off whitish. Hydra Blur also has a scent to it. And it matches my background, but this is the new Juno & Co. sponge. It's a pink sponge. It's called Rosé. It's a rosé sponge. Okay, I'm just gonna blend out. I'm gonna blend out with the butt of the sponge. So I've had a code with Juno & Co. forever. My Juno & Co. discount code is OHEMAA. So if you want to check out the sponges or the brushes, and I do love the brushes, let me know down below if you've tried them. If you haven't, check them out. There's a link down below in my description box for you to use with that. And I decided to do my brows before. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm using the pointy side, the rounded pointy side, to blend this out. I'm gonna go over, okay, so I'm gonna go over with the Fenty 480 concealer. And I always forget and I put too much concealer on my face. I'm gonna use the Juno & Co. ES12 brush. Okay, so up until this point, I've been looking, you know, like after I applied the foundation, I went in to look at it to see if I could see a difference. And then after I applied my concealer, I go into the mirror to see if I can see any difference. And right now, okay, so I don't see that big of a difference. The thing I see is that my right here looks to be smoother than this. I can see like remnants of pores. Like I can see that it's almost there, but it's not quite there. And over here, it looks like it's almost all gone. Okay, over here it looks like I don't have any pores. However, my smile lines are here. Okay, I can see my smile lines, but it's not like, you know, if you're not looking for it, you're not gonna see it, you know, but because I'm looking at it to see if it's done anything different to my face, I can see it. Okay, so I haven't really noticed any big difference up until right now. I think the wear test is what's gonna tell us how good Tatcha is, or Silk Canvas is, compared to, I guess, another skincare type. Or yeah, I chose the skincare type because it wouldn't be fair to just pit it against the ColourPop primer, because the ColourPop primer is what, $10 and Tatcha's like $52. I just picked something that would be close in range to the price of Tatcha so we can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face quickly and I'll come back. Okay guys, there's something going on with my camera. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is what my face looks like. It's literally been about 2.5 hours since I finished my makeup. I was filming other things, so I had to like do a little juggling dance in there somewhere. But this is what my face looks like now. My pores are still blurred out. It doesn't look, I can still see that one pore that I think I can see over here. My smile lines are here. I made sure to put some over here so that it doesn't, to see if it's not gonna come through, but it's there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and then I'll come back at exactly the 4-hour mark and we can see how this is gonna hold up. But at this point, I don't really see a difference between the Tatcha and the Dermalogica side, so I don't know. Hopefully there will be a difference, but right now I don't see anything. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Okay, so this is what my face looks like. It's been almost 7 hours since I put the makeup on. My smile lines, I don't really think there's anything that can be done about these guys. However, it looks like the lines are more apparent on this side of my face than they are on this side of my face. Do you see? I'm sorry you guys, I'm gonna have to reset my camera. There's something fishy going on. But I can clearly see the smile lines on this side of my face compared to this side of my face. I don't know. I don't see anything that's like... I want to say that maybe the Dermalogica side around this side is like slightly more oily than this side. But that's the only difference that I noticed. Oh, and also that my smile lines are more apparent on this side than they are on this side. I don't know. Maybe I should have compared it to a regular, you know, that's what... I should have compared it to a regular primer. And then I probably would have seen like the huge difference in the two. But I think because I compared it to another clinical kind of primer, it became like a little too evenly matched, you know? That was my fault. I just don't want to use a $10 primer against a $52 primer. You know, especially a primer that's not made to mimic this one, you know? So I don't know. I mean, I guess compared to another high-end or another more clinical primer, they both performed about okay. But this is what my face looked like after 7 hours, so that's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Maybe because I didn't compare it to a regular primer, I don't see like a significant difference, you know? Yeah, I wish I compared it to a cheaper primer so I can say, oh my god, it is the best thing ever. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm using the TATCHA Silk Canvas.
Okay, so this is a video I'm gonna upload for you guys on Friday using a drugstore product or drugstore products, but I use the TATCHA as my primer in the video, and I decided to go ahead and show you guys the finished product after so many hours of wearing it, and compared it to the control from my Hacked series to see if there was any significant difference.
Okay, I'll see you guys in 6 hours. Okay, so this is after 10 hours of wear using the TATCHA Silk Canvas and using essentially like a drugstore face. My face looks good after 10 hours of wear. It's not bad.
So after 10 hours of wear, this is what my face looks like compared to my Hacked Control series, which I only wore for 6 hours.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. If you haven't yet subscribed, just remember to subscribe down below. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!